Today we talk about how can you find blockade users on your Plato app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, click above your photo profile, just click on it. Then it's going to take you here to your profile. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on privacy here, come to this list, you come here to blockade users. So you just click on it here. When you just click on it, then it's gone. Uh, here, like you see, I have not blocked users, but if you have any of them, just click on it, then automatically it's going to take you to see them. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.